Hello everybody, it's ASSORT from ASSORT Development, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to make a FiveM server for completely free at no cost. So first, before I get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, and tell me what you guys think about these videos, because these are going to be the new upcoming videos. I'm going to be posting about twice a week, so just let me know in general what you guys think about these videos. Alright, now getting started, so I'm going to just mention this really quickly. If you would like to purchase a server or host a server, you can go ahead and check out Zap Hosting. They're mainly the FiveM hosting, and that's going to be your main hosting, mainly for public. If you want a public big server, you're always going to have to host it. You can do local host, which is what we are doing for free, but it is definitely not recommended. Alright, with getting started, this link will be in the description. This is how to set it up. So you can read through this step by step. It shows you what to do. So we're going to go ahead and go to the Windows Server build listing. Alright, so I recommend you download the latest recommended. That's what most people do. My personal preference is downloading the newest one. So that's what I'm going to do. Then you're going to open up, make a folder anywhere on your computer. Mine is in my drive. And you can name that folder whatever. This is where your files will be for your server. And then in that folder, I'm going to make a new file and call it server data. Once again, this doesn't matter what you name it. It's honestly your personal preference. Name it whatever. This is also WinRAR. I'll leave this in the description. It unzips your files for you. Now we're going to drag and drop all these files onto server data. We can close WinRAR now. Alright, we're going to scroll down now until we see FX server. I'm going to go ahead and open that up and let this load. While we're waiting, you'll see it open up some new folders. I'll explain that later on. Okay, here we go. So now it opened up a tab for you. This is the TXadmin login. Once again, we're creating this with TXadmin, so it's completely free. I also want to say, so if it doesn't open this page for you automatically, that's probably because you didn't have your browser open or something. But you can go to FX server, which is the program you ran. So you will see it'll say the website like localhost, put the port in, etc. And then here's your pin right here, so 0227. It's gonna be different for you, but it automatically put it in. So I'm gonna link my account. It'll link your FiveM account. So here's my FiveM account. Click continue. If not, you would normally have to log in or sign up. Now create a backup password. You're gonna you sometimes need this, so make sure you remember it, obviously. Okay. Oh my god. If I could type my password. Oh my god. There we go. Okay. Alright, here we go. Welcome ASSORT. So you don't have to read, I mean you could read this. You go ahead and click next. So this is your server name. So it's not, okay, it's not your server name, but it is at the same time. It's not going to be your public, like people see this. This is like your admin, your dashboard name to manage your server. So I'm just going to name it test server. I'll show you where it pops up. I'm going to click next. Development type. For this tutorial, because I'm guessing you guys are new to creating it, we're gonna do popular receipt. Or you can do existing server data, or obviously these, but I'm making a fresh one, so popular. Now you have a template. So you got this is the default FiveM. Most vMenu servers run off of this. This is EX, so this is economy base. Same for QB core. RedM, you got VORP, which is also RedM. but for today's tutorial we're going to CFX default, and then here's this. You can change the path if you want. See, it did create that TX data as I showed you earlier. So we're gonna go ahead and click save. We're almost there. Go to see developer. Click next on this. Alright, so your license key, I'm gonna go ahead and click keymaster. I'm gonna go ahead and sign up, or sign in, sorry. So here, I have a bunch of keys, you're not gonna see this, but what you wanna go to the top left of your screen and go ahead and press new server. This is your display name, so I'm gonna do test server 2. I might already have test server. Initial server address without port, use your public. So to get your IP address, go ahead and open up command prompt, and trying to think, I think it was config IP config. Yeah, okay, IP config, type that in. Now you'll see your IPv4 address. That's what you're gonna want. So mine is I'm just go ahead and type mine in. Make sure this is correct. Alright, now your server type, you're gonna do dedicated server. Actually, sorry, we're gonna do other/home hosted. Then the server provider, we're gonna just do home hosted, because you're hosting yourself from your home. Then we're gonna go ahead and click generate. Now to give you a key, see IP locked, yes, will be activated on first, and then it'll say initial IP. Don't worry about any of this. Just click copy next to the key. I'm gonna paste it into here or in receipt. Now it's gonna run it. Okay, it's gonna open up my folder. I'm gonna close this really quickly. I'm gonna close Keymaster. I'm gonna close these other tabs. Alright, we're gonna click next. Alright, so here's our server config. Just gonna click save and run. Okay, so I got an error. IP. Okay, something with my IP. Kinda know why this happened to me. So normally you guys won't have an error, but for me there's something up. So I'm gonna just use a different one really quickly. Change this, save file, restart. Alright, so here we go. Here's TX admin. Here's the panel that you manage your server with that I was talking about earlier. And remember where I said you'll name your server? Here it is right here, test server dashboard. Alright, so right here you can do start. I'm not gonna actually go over this in this video, but there's a whole bunch of stuff you can do. Your live console, this will be if you have any errors. This is right here. Alright, sorry, not that. This is, so that program that you opened, you always want this open to run your server. And then that also goes into your console. Your resources, this is where you start and stop resources. So you could start, refresh, etc. Server log, actions in game, anything that you do in game. Now CFG editor, this is where you'll ensure your resources, add your admin groups. There's a whole lot of stuff you'll do in here, which we'll go over in another video. Alright, other than that, that's basically all we have. So we'll go ahead and load up FiveM. Go ahead and wait for this to load up. So while that's loading up, I'll show you this TX data, and we'll go into CFX default FiveM. Go to resources. So this is additionally where you'll add all your resources that you want, such as custom cars, buildings, scripts, anything like that. You can also make a new folder, and next video will be installing vMenu, and I'll show you guys how to set up the permissions and all of that, and add the resource, obviously. I'm not sure what FiveM is doing. Just wait for this to load. FiveM is not starting. Oh, there we go. Okay. Alright, while we're waiting, so yeah. And then another thing is your server.cfg, which I also showed you on the browser, is also here. And this program that I'm using right here, I'll link it in the description. It's Visual Studio Code. It's a lot better than than Notepad, which is the default program that uses. Also, okay, right here. So if you look right to the left of your screen under the play button, you'll see connect to desktop or whatever your computer name is. Just go ahead and click that, or you can press play, and I'm trying to find it. Maybe it's low. I'm not sure. Oh, direct connect. Here we go. Oops. We're just gonna go in here. It's gonna say file needs to restart. We're gonna press OK. And it's gonna connect us to a FiveM server. There we go. And you can see the name of it, test server. Let me just show you guys this really quickly. So here's your port. Here's the people that can join it, or like the max people that can join the server. The default's gonna be 48 since you're running a free server. You can change it to whatever, it just can't be above 48. Here are your tags. So a lot of people roleplay, vMenu, whatever. Here's your name of the server, test server. Here's the name too, as well. Just pretty much, these are pretty much the same. Here's your description. Other than that, it's really all you need to know. So now that we're in this server, you can see this is what you're not gonna have anything really in. You will have a chat. I don't think mine started out. Let me see. Oh yeah, chat didn't start out. Okay, we're not gonna worry about that. Alright, now if you do, so normally you could do /tx. I have it binded. You could also bind it if you want by going to key binding, FiveM, and then here you go, tx admin. I have that as my right alt key to open it. You could change that if you want. So here's like the admin menu basically you get. There's no clip. Sorry for the lag right there. Just that. I'm trying to go down. Okay, I can't go down because I don't know how to on this new keyboard. But you got waypoint, you can spawn a vehicle, press tab, you can DM, and do text. You see it pops up, and here we go, there's chat /tx. There you go, and it opens it up. You get the point. So there's that. Open this up. TX admin. Here's like basically what that browser was, but inside of the game. You can look through that. But yeah, so you got a FiveM server now. And actually, next video, I'm not going to do the view menu. Next video will be the port forward, which will be able to allow you to join your server multiple times with no problems, and allow other people to play on your server. So right now, normally only you can. People will get errors when trying to join your server. So next video, we'll port forward your server, and people will be able to join. If you guys like this kind of content and you like this video, let me know. Leave a like, leave a comment, letting me know what you guys think. I'd appreciate if you guys join my community as we're growing. We have a Discord server that'll be in the description. Everything will be in the description, our socials, and all the resources that I use in this video. I hope you guys have a good one. Have a good rest of your day. Peace.